To set up face recognition on a Samsung Android phone, start by going to the Settings menu. Look for the Lock Screen option and select it. From there, choose Screen Lock Type and then select Face Recognition. You will be prompted to register your face by looking at the camera and following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you are in a well-lit area and remove any glasses or hats that may obstruct your face. As you register your face, the phone will create a unique map of your facial features. This map is used to verify your identity when you try to unlock your phone. After registering your face, you can choose to use face recognition as your primary unlock method or use it in combination with a PIN or pattern. It is also a good idea to set up a backup unlock method in case face recognition does not work. To improve the accuracy of face recognition, make sure to register your face in different lighting conditions and at different angles. You can also register your face with different expressions or while wearing glasses to improve the recognition rate. It is also important to note that face recognition on Samsung Android phones uses advanced technology to prevent spoofing attempts. However, it is still possible for someone who looks similar to you to unlock your phone. To add an extra layer of security, consider using a combination of face recognition and a PIN or pattern. This will provide an additional layer of protection in case someone tries to unlock your phone using your face. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up face recognition on your Samsung Android phone and enjoy a convenient and secure way to unlock your device.